Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an explanation letter for Cash Out Refinance. What is an explanation letter for Cash Out Refinance? An explanation letter for a cash out refinance is a document that provides a written explanation for why a homeowner is seeking to refinance their mortgage and receive cash from the equity in their home. This type of refinance allows the homeowner to borrow more than the remaining balance on their mortgage and receive the difference in cash. The explanation letter typically outlines the reasons for wanting the cash out refinance, which might include purposes such as home improvements, debt consolidation, education expenses, medical bills, or other financial needs. It may also explain the homeowner's ability to make the new mortgage payments and how the extra funds will be used responsibly. This letter is often required by the lender during the application process to better understand the borrower's intentions and financial situation before approving the cash-out refinance loan. It helps ensure that the borrower's reasons for refinancing align with the lender's criteria and guidelines. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an explanation letter for cash-out refinance step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And then, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. And then, write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the recipient's home address. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, tell the recipient why you are writing this letter. You need to state it clearly that this letter is an explanation letter of the cash-out refinance. And mention the name and the homeowner. For the next, write the address of the property or house. When you write the address, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. In the second paragraph, this is where you write the reasons why you are seeking for cash out. Of course, you can be honest here. For example, the writer here wants to upgrade their kitchen. Or maybe, you can also write that you want to consolidate some high-interest credit card debt. Just write the reasons based on your situation. In the last paragraph, write how urgency it is. Or how crucial it is for you to get the cash-out refinance. In this example, the writer explains how doing it will ultimately lower their total monthly outgoing expenses. Not only that, it can also help them boost the value of their home. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an explanation letter for cash out refinance step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.